Hi, my name is Tim Mullen. I'm the interim instructor of manufacturing technology at Southwest Tech. Students should take this program for many reasons. We can design, build, construct, weld, cut, all right here in one room. We use CAD to design in. Sometimes we design on a piece of paper with a pencil. Sometimes we design with a computer. And then we can change those designs, modify them as needed, bring them out here, cut our stock, and manufacture right here in this room. We start with basic hand tools, safety and use, work our way up through manual machining and using lathes and milling machines, and work our way up to CNC, lathes and mills. We also do welding, cutting, fabrication, and grinding. Taking one of our manufacturing design programs here at Southwest Tech can introduce you to basic life skills as far as design, fixing and repairing things at home. We're preparing you for jobs such as machinist all the way up through engineer. You could be an inspector, you could work in a production department, entry-level machinist, welder. And you can also diversify, go into marketing and design and other things you may not traditionally associate with this program. It's all about lifelong and continuous learning.